Hello, welcome back. And we're here to learn new lesson today. And that is sunrise and sunset. So look at a picture. It's a beautiful picture of, is it sunrise or sunset? What do you think is it? Okay, now look at this picture. It's beautiful, right? It is. I have a question. Why does the sun rise in the morning and set at night time? Okay, I want you to shine a torch on the side of a ball and rotate the ball counterclockwise. Watch what happens to the light in dark areas as the ball turns. So if you have these materials at home, I want you to try this, okay? So turn counterclockwise and the ball serves as the earth. The torch or the flashlight serves as the sun. Imagine this ball is the earth, and this is what happens with the earth as it rotates towards the east. As earth rotates or turns around, it moves in and out of the sun's light. So the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun coming up and setting gives us our day and night. The sun starts to appear on the horizon. It often looks red or orange. So again, why do we have day and night? Or why do we have sunrise and sunset? That is because the earth's what? Rotation, or the earth's movement. Okay, throughout the morning, the sun climbs higher and higher in the sky until the middle of the day. What's the middle of the day? Like 12 noon, okay? 12 noon. The sun starts to go down through the afternoon until it sets in the evening. And the sky looks like it changes color because the sun rays are shining through particles or bits of dust in the atmosphere. I remember yesterday, like the sky looks red, and that is because, as it said here, the sun rays are shining through particles or bits of dust. Sometimes here in Bangkok, the air quality is not good, right? Like we have air pollution, we have dust everywhere, so that's why it is colored like that. The colors are stronger at sunset because there are more particles. In the winter, the sun rises later and sets earlier, and our days are short, but we don't have winter here. In the summer, the sun rises earlier and sets later, and our days are longer. So, again, remember, in winter, it is more what? Darker because it has more like nighttime. But in the summer, our days are longer, so we can see more lighter than darker. Now, okay, let's see the sunrise in Bangkok. What time do you think is it? Okay, so it says here, Thursday, January 14, sunrise in Bangkok is 6:45. So it's late in the morning, right? Sometimes it is 6 o'clock. We can see the sunrise, but this time it's 6:45. How about the sunset in Bangkok? What time do you think is it? Okay, so it says 18 o'clock. So what is 18 o'clock? That is 6:09 in the afternoon, or 6:09 p.m. Okay, so that is on Thursday. Now, why do we need to know this? It helps us plan what we need to do in each day. Of course. That's why we need to learn about sunset and sunrise so we can plan what are the best activities or what are the things that we should do during sunrise and what are the things that we should do during sunset or during daytime and nighttime. So people who work outdoors need to know how much daylight they will have in each day, such as farmers and gardeners. Especially if you're students, of course, for you, if you just walk home from school, then you have to take care more. Okay, we have to take care more walking to school or home in the dark. We don't like to walk in the dark, right? Next, we have to choose after school clubs carefully. You can play football in the dark, okay? If you want like after school classes, after school program, then make sure your activity is not outside because it's dark. Okay, it depends, okay? Now let's recall. Sunrise occurs in the morning. It occurs in the east and it serves as, or it shows the beginning of the day. The sun is in the sky after sunrise. That's why it is called daytime. Like we can see light everywhere, like in our surroundings, okay? How about sunset? It occurs in the evening, occurs in the west, and it is the sign that the day ends or end of the day. The sun disappears and it becomes dark. So if you go outside, if there's no light, and that's evening, yes, of course, nighttime, it's dark because the sun sets already. Okay, so for your activity, I want you to show some examples that you do during sunrise and sunset, or what are the things that we can do during daytime and nighttime. But remember, this is a speaking activity. I want you to film yourself while reporting your answer or showing your answer. Okay? Enjoy! And you have another homework here. This is very easy. Make a picture of a sunrise or sunset. Or you can make two, sunrise and sunset. This could be on the computer or with paper and paint. It's up to you. What do you want to use? You can use the computer to look at different images first, okay? So enjoy and see you on our next lesson. Bye!